Hello and welcome back to yet another Christmas DIY video. If you haven't watched the previous one, I'll leave a link down below. Today I'm going to be using one of these cardboard boxes from Amazon to make a Christmas present. Christmas is probably the only festival that we celebrate in a year, and this season really gets me pumped up. And why not? Because Jesus is the reason for this season and there's lots to celebrate. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two types of presents that I'm making. I'm going with a more neutral and farmhouse style Christmas theme this year, and these are so easy to make at home. I got these cardboard gift tags from Amazon, and these are so versatile. Just hot gluing some berries and a pine cone to add the Christmas touch. And that's it. These are so simple and easy to make. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this wooden backing that I have, and I'm just applying some wood stain on it to darken the color. I'm going to be decorating this farmhouse style sign with all the craft supplies that I already had from Itsy Bitsy, some wooden chipboards, some real pine leaves, and some old potpourri that I had. You can feel free to get creative here and add your own touches with things that you have around the house. Making my own Christmas decor and adding to the cozy vibes in my house is so nourishing and calming to me. With a roller coaster of a year like 2020, I know most of you are not having a very great season this year. But I want you to know that you are not alone. As I make this Noel signboard, let me take you through this beautiful story that talks about this season. I'm sure you would have heard the very popular Christmas song, The First Noel. It was a cold winter's night as the shepherds lay in their fields, keeping their sheep. And as they looked up, there appeared a star shining in the east from afar. And to the earth it gave great light, as it continued both day and night. And by the light of that same star, 3 wise men came from afar. And their intent was to seek for a king and follow the star wherever it went. The star guided them northwest over the city of Bethlehem, where it stopped and stayed, right over the place where Jesus lay, in a manger wrapped with swaddling clothes. The wise men went down on their knees and offered gold, myrrh, and frankincense. They said, "Let us sing praises to our heavenly Lord, who made heaven and earth from nothing, who sent the Messiah to save us from bondage, and with his blood mankind was bought. He is the Redeemer." This is the story of the first Noel, and I hope that this season you will shine bright, just like the guiding star. I'm finishing off this video with one last DIY. This is a Christmas tree that I got from Amazon for around 200 rupees, and I'm gonna make this a really minimal Christmas tree using just burlap, ribbon, and some DIYs which you're going to see. If you are new to my channel, I encourage you to stay connected with me through my YouTube journey. I make home decor, organization, lifestyle and cooking videos. It's going to be almost a year as I began to adopt the concept of minimalism. And as I begin to vision cast for the year ahead, I intend to dig deeper into minimalism for a more calming and stress-free life. I also intend to save more money, and hence I'm trying to do all of the Christmas decor from scratch this year, and of course reuse all the decorations from the previous years as well. Stay tuned to my channel for more Christmas related videos, and I can't wait to see you all soon again in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching all the way until the end. And please do stay connected with me. Please do let me know in the comments if you try out any of these DIYs, and I'd love for you to share them with me on my Instagram. I'm going to post my Instagram handle down below and you can connect with me there as well.